Good day everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build a website and a blog for free. I mean for free. Now you don't need a domain name, you don't need a hosting package to get this done. Like I said, it's going to be for free. So without wasting much time, let's dive in. So there are two things you need to consider before you decide to have or build your own free website or blog. You must have found a niche, which is number one thing. I mean an area of interest that you want your audience to know you for. Number two, you must be ready to build a brand around that niche. Moving forward, our niche today for this free website is the fashion house called Dudu Apparel. We want to build a free blog for them. Now, how do we go about this? The very first thing you need to do is to click on Get Started. So from here now, the next thing you need to do is to decide if what you need is a blog, a business, a professional, or an online store. For us, what we need here is a blog to share and discuss ideas, updates, or creation. So we'll click a blog. Now our blog is a fashion blog. We pick a category which is fashion, then we continue. Now the next thing to do now is to choose the blog name. I've chosen one. I'll call it Dudu Apparel. I click on continue. Now I would have to choose a style for this blog, and what I like to choose is the modern. I click on it and click on continue. Now the next thing to do is to give this blog an address, and for me the address I want to use is Dudu Apparel this way, and the system automatically figure out if the name is available. Now as it is, the name is available and I would like to use the free version. Remember, what we are building is a free website / blog. So I'll click on the free package. I don't want to sign up for any of the premium package for now. So I'll continue and start with a free site. Leave for a while to load. Now our blog is set up and ready. There are a few things we still need to get done to complete this process. Now the next thing to do is to update the home page. So I'll click on try it now. Now the next thing to do is for us to start setting up our blog. So I'll skip this process because I want to do all of these things personally myself. I'll skip this as well. To confirm the email, I'll go into my email address to confirm the email. So as soon as I confirm my email address, then I can go ahead to launch the site. Now this is my blog. As it is now, I still have a few things to do on the side. I'm going to go further to create pages and start creating my post. But then where do I go from here? The first thing you want to do is to check out the stats menu to see the number of visitors that have been to your site. This is a new blog, as you can see. I already have 2 views, 1 visitors. And from here, you can properly monitor how your blog or your site is doing. Next button on the menu is the plan button. From here, you can choose subscribe for your premium service, but for us today we'll be doing that. You can check out the site menu as well, see the number of pages that we have. Now if you need to create or add another new page, just click on the button add new page. I can add a new page from here. So I want to call the page the contact us page, and you can see there's already a page template right here. So since I have what I want to create is a contact page, I'll click on the contact page template. Without having to edit what I need to edit here, because these things are pretty easy to edit. Moving forward, I'll just have to publish this page. Now that the page has been published, you can see it here, the contact page. The next button I'd like to go to is the post button. You can see the list of all your posts, your blog post. Now if I need to add a new blog post, I click on the add new blog post button. If I also need to add images and videos, I'll just go to the media section where you can add images and videos. Now moving forward, you can check out your comment from this section and also check out your feedback. But how do you design your front page? How do you actually design your blog? It's pretty easy. Go to the design section and you can click on customize. I'm going to open this in another new tab. The next thing I like to do here is to manage this blog. I'll click on manage and go to settings. From here, I can change the site icon. I already have an image that I would like to use. To change the site icon, I'll click on change. Then I get to select logo. I'll select an image for my computer. As soon as the image is done uploading, I'll click on select, and here is it. The image has been uploaded. Now that we've uploaded the image, which is the logo right here, the next thing is to decide if this is the right and the correct site title. If that has been confirmed, we need to add a tagline. The tagline is a bit of a description about your site. So right here, I would say beloved fashion. Okay, this is done. I will also upload a site icon. A site icon is actually different from a logo. A site icon is also referred to as favicon. It's a tiny piece image that helps the browser to identify or know your website. So now I would upload a site icon. I'll use same image as the logo for the site icon, and I'll crop it. So this site icon, which is the favicon, appears here, and you can see it whenever we open the blog. It will appear right here, and I'm sure you see it on most websites as well. Now that is done, then we publish and close down the settings page. So from what we can see here, our blog is almost done, but let's go to the front end to see what we've done so far. I'll click on the blog and it takes me right here. So from what you can see our first post. All right, you can re-edit all of these things and get everything started. If you need to check all the versions of your blog, which is the desktop, the tablet version, the phone version, you can see it's pretty and very responsive. So when you are done, all you need to do is to launch the site, and you can see a few little packages that are available. For us, we will skip purchase and continue with our free website. Now our free blog or website is ready. So this is the front page of our free website, and it is ready. So now if you need to go back to the back end of the site where you can edit the site, click on my settings. And of course, if you need to go to the front end of the site, very simple and easy, click on these and go to visit site, and that should take you to the front end of the site. I hope you know how to free website and a blog right now. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section below. More so, do not forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great day.